and welcome back to my channel. I know it looks really crazy behind me, but that is because I am in my spare room because I am currently packing up for our mystery vacation. If you guys missed the last vlog, we are headed on vacation. We're gonna go visit some family and go do some fun things. I am not releasing where we are headed to. That is for you guys to guess in the comments below based on the clues that I'm gonna drop in this video. If you guys happen to just click and didn't read the title, in this video we are gonna be packing up my makeup and skincare. I'll show you guys all of the things that I bring with me on vacation and on this vacation in particular based on where we're going to. But if you guys would like to get a head start and find out where we're going early, make sure you're following me on Instagram. I am updating the trip in real time there, but please don't spoil it down below in the comments for the people who genuinely do want to guess. Also too, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get packing because I have a feeling based on my last makeup pack with me video, this could end up being a long one. Okay, you guys, time to pack up my makeup. I threw all this to be dramatic for the shot, and now I have to find where everything went. And I do want to assure you guys I am wearing shorts underneath this. They're just really short, but this is gonna be a little bit of an update since my last what's in my travel makeup bag. But I am still using the same bag for it. This one from Amazon, I featured it in that video. I featured it, I believe, in my first Amazon favorites video, but I love this case. It's so great for traveling with makeup. Obviously, I mean, that's what it's designed for. It's got all of these compartments that you can customize. You can move these around. And then it has a little brush section up here. I don't really use this for brushes. I'll show you guys what I do with it in a second. And then it has a little extra storage back here. So let's go ahead and start digging in. I brought a box of all of the makeup that I will be bringing with me. There we go, ready to go. 1 second, it is hot. So when I like to pack my makeup, I like to go in order of the steps that I do to apply my makeup. So starting out with the base, just my primer, I'm bringing two different primers. I'm bringing my Milk Blur Stick. This one's just more for filling in my pores, and this one also looks when I'm wearing no makeup or minimal makeup. So I always travel with this one. And then the other primer I'm bringing is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I love this primer. It makes your makeup stay on for so long, and it makes your makeup go on so smooth too. It's gonna be extremely hot where we're going, and also right now it's in the middle of summertime, so it's hot in general. So anything I can do to make my makeup stay for longer, I will take. Then moving on to foundation. When I travel, I just like to bring two different foundations. I like to bring a lighter foundation for just like a more casual makeup look, and then I like to bring a heavier, thicker foundation for if we're going out at night, like to dinner or something like that. So the first one that I'm bringing is the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. This one is the oil-free matte one. I am very oily, so I like to do a matte CC cream. This one I love to use like when I'm going to the pool, which we will be doing, or when it's gonna be really hot, because this is nice and lightweight, but it's matte, so it's great for me because again, I'm oily, I want it to stay for a long time. And this one also has SPF 40, which is fantastic because it's gonna be sunny and hot where we're going. The other foundation I'm gonna pack is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. I showed this foundation in my most recent Get Ready With Me, and then also again in my July favorites. I'm obsessed with this foundation. It creates the perfect canvas, and the great thing about this foundation in particular is I have the color Tangier, which is just slightly tanner than my natural skin color. So with me right now being tan, especially with me about to get tanner on this vacation, I do want to make sure that I bring one of my tanner shades. Then for concealer, I actually already have them packed in here. I always leave these in this case, but I have two travel ones. I have the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This concealer used to be my go-to everyday concealer. I have since switched to the Dior one, but since I have a travel bottle of this one, I will just use it. And then of course, I'm bringing a travel Tarte Shape Tape with me. Then for powder, I'm bringing the Flower Powder from Beauty Bakery. This one is in the Cassava shade, which is just like slightly yellow. I'm obsessed with this powder. I should have included it in my favorites video. I don't know why I didn't. I think I was just very rushed and I didn't think about it, but this powder is amazing. And that's what I've been using every day to set my under eyes and stuff. It just gives such a flawless finish and I'm obsessed. Then the other powder I'm bringing is just for all over face, and it's my Urban Decay Stay Naked The Fix powder. I wear 60NN and it's a perfect match for me. I always use this to set my foundation. Then moving on to bronzer and contour, the first product that I'm going to bring with me is the Fenty Cream Bronzer. Again, this is another one I should have included in one of my favorites videos and I didn't, but I love this one. I use the shade 04 Honey Glaze, and it's perfect for someone who is medium to tan skin. I love this one in particular for when I'm doing a more natural looking face because it blends very seamlessly into your foundation or your BB cream or CC cream, whatever you are using. It just looks very, very natural and not really obvious that you have a cream contour or cream bronzer on. Then for powder, bronzer, and contour, I'm of course bringing my Tarte Amazonian Clay bronzer. This one is in the color Hotel Heiress. I always bring this one with me because it is waterproof, and again, where we're going to be going to the pool. I'm going to be sweating, it's going to be hot, so I want my bronzer to last. Then for contour and highlight, I'm also going to be bringing another favorite from this month, and it is the Beauty Bakery Brownie Bar. This contour shade in particular is amazing. It's the only powder that I've been using to contour, and I also really love this highlight as well. Then I just realized I skipped over some things, so we will backtrack a bit here. For the face, I'm also going to bring two Nude Sticks products. I'm going to bring the Tinted Blur Stick and the Nudies Matte. Here is what those two look like. I love these just like for a light, very natural face. And those I use more to even out my face for like if we're traveling. I don't want to look like I have makeup on, but since I do vlog, I do like to try to at least even out my skin tone a little bit. And then I'm also going to bring the MAC Strobe Cream. This one is in the silver color. I am obsessed with strobe cream. I love it so much, so I definitely cannot travel without it. Okay, then moving on to eyes, I am going to bring my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. This is my favorite eye primer. It is just like the absolute best. Then for palettes, they're not going to fit in here. I'm going to put them in a different bag. I'm going to use this Juvia bag. I am obsessed with this bag. It looks so designer and so luxe. It's just like the best. But the first palette that I'm going to bring is the Tati Beauty Palette. I use this palette literally every day. It's just like so good. It has all of the colors that I need. Mainly I work in this matte row, just like for my everyday shadow. I'm actually only wearing this palette on my eyes right now, and this has been like my go-to makeup look. I even do my liner with the black in here. It's just like amazing. So that one goes in there. Then for a little bit more of a fun, colorful palette, I'm also going to bring the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. I just feel like this is the perfect supplemental palette to bring with me on a summer vacation. It's got these beautiful purples and pinks in here, and these all give like beautiful light washes of colors, just something very light and fun, perfect for the summertime. Okay, then for liner, of course, I'm going to bring my Pixi Endless Silky Eye Pen. I love this. This is my favorite of all time. And for this, since it's small and I don't want to lose it in here, I'm going to pack it right in here where the brushes would normally go. And then for my liquid liner, you guys know I have like switched over to the Benefit Roller Liner. It is my favorite. It's so good. It's hands down the best eyeliner I've ever used in my life. And when I bought the big one, it came with a little travel one, which was perfect. So this is my first time that I'll be getting to use this travel one, but I'm so glad that I have it. And again, I do just keep it in here with these mini concealers. All right, then moving on to lashes. For mascara, I'm just gonna bring one. I'm gonna bring the waterproof L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. This one's so good. This is pretty much like a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara, though the Too Faced one is a little bit better, but this one is pretty great. And again, pack it right in here where the brushes usually go. It's just like the perfect holder for that. I'm gonna bring my eyelash curler, of course. I'm gonna put that in here since it's kind of like a weird size. And then we will be doing fun things at night, so of course I need lashes. I'm gonna bring these Ardell Wispies, which I've already pre-cut. Just a little pro tip for you, because we are flying, I don't want to bring my manicure scissors on the plane, so I went ahead and pre-cut my lashes and sized them perfectly for me. And this one I'm gonna pack right back here in this little zipper slot. I'm also gonna bring the lashes that I'm wearing right now, but I'm wearing them right now, so obviously I'm not gonna pack them right this second. And then of course I'm gonna bring my lash glue. I just use the Velour Black Lash Adhesive. This is the best lash adhesive in the world. It's just, you guys, it's so good. It's just so freaking good. Okay, then for brows, I'm gonna bring my brow powder. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Brown Brow Powder Duo. This is my go-to. I use it all the time. Again, I'm gonna pack it in the little zipper case because it's small. And then for a fast brow, I'm gonna bring the e.l.f. Wow Brow. This one is so good. I mentioned it in my Holy Grail makeup products. For blush, I'm just gonna bring one. I'm gonna bring a classic MAC Melba. Goes with literally any makeup look, so it's the perfect one to bring with you on vacation. Then I'm gonna bring two different highlighters just because I want two different tones. The first one is a drugstore one. It is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, another one that I mentioned in my drugstore Holy Grails. And this one is in the color Golden Flower Crown. It's like the perfect champagne-y gold color. And then I'm gonna bring my brightest highlighter with me. This one is the Ofra highlighter in Star Island. This one is seriously beaming and it's so beautiful. If you want like a megawatt highlight, this is your guy. Then for setting spray, I have two that I'm gonna bring with me just because one is running low, but it's like my favorite, so I just want to use it up. But the first one is the Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is a charcoal setting spray and it is my favorite one. So freaking good. People need to stop sleeping on this one because it's the best. And then in case that one runs out, I'm gonna bring my Ofra Makeup Fixer Spray. Okay, then still in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and pack some tools. First off is my blending sponge. This one is from Eco Tools, and I talked about it again in that drugstore makeup video. My favorite makeup sponge. And then I'm gonna bring the Tati Blendiful and like the little tiny one. I use these for when I'm doing a super quick face because it's just really easy to just blend everything in with these. So I'm gonna pop these in the back here. Oh, I have something extra in here. Ooh, I found one of my Natasha Denona lipsticks. Well, I will be bringing this one with me. This one is in Jennifer, and I haven't worn this one in a while. What does this one look like? Ooh, yes, let's bring this one because I like the fact that it's a pinky color because I was also going to bring a different Natasha Denona one. This one is Claudia and it's much more neutral, so I can have a choice between the two. And then just a couple more lip products in here. The first one is this Pixie Lip Lift Max in Sweet Nectar. I just got this lip gloss in and I'm obsessed. It gives like such a sheer wash of color. Again, perfect for summer for a minimal makeup look. And then I'm also gonna bring Dose of Colors Truffle. This is like my favorite nude neutral liquid lipstick that I own. Okay, then lastly in this case, I'm gonna pack 2 of these clips. These are just from Amazon, and these are those like no bend makeup clips to clip your hair back. I'm just gonna pop these in here. So then this case is done, packed, all set. I just need to remember to bring it. I have gone on vacation and forgotten to bring that. So literally right after this, I'm gonna go downstairs and put it in the luggage. And then for brushes, I actually keep my brushes in this thing. This is from Morphe. It was like the Morphe and James Charles collab. I always keep my eye brushes in here because it makes it very easy to just pack up just like that. So I'm literally gonna take all my eye brushes with me just because, you know, they're all already in there. And this does have like my brow brush, eyeliner brush, all of that stuff. Then for my face brushes, I'm gonna pack them in here. Again, working backwards in my makeup routine to make sure I don't forget anything. I'm gonna bring 1 foundation brush just for that CC cream. For regular foundation, I do prefer to use a sponge, but if I'm in a hurry, I will use that. Then this powder brush, this is for my face powder. And then this one for my translucent powder. And then this one is my go-to bronzer. I believe that this one is from Japanesque, but it also looks like that one NARS brush. So I'm gonna bring that one. I'm gonna bring my favorite blush brush, and actually my only blush brush. This is the Morphe E4. And then for contouring, I'm gonna bring the Morphe M437. And then for highlight, I'm gonna bring 2 different brushes, both from Morphe. The fan one is the M310, and then the tapered one is the M501 brush. So I'm gonna bring these 2. And for makeup, believe it or not, we are done. So I'm gonna go take a quick break, drink some water, maybe go eat some food, pack up some of my clothing. Oh my god, I have laundry that I need to go attend to. So I'm gonna do all that, and then we will come back a little bit later to do skincare. Okay, you guys, and I'm back. It's much later, and I'm so hot right now. Oh my god, we've been packing downstairs. I've been packing like my clothes, but I came up here because I wanted to do skincare for this video. So the goal is to figure out what's in all of these, because these I just pretty much leave packed like the whole time so that it's like quick, ready to go for travel. But I want to consolidate all of those and put everything just in this one. I was gifted this from Pixie in a PR kit, and I'm like so in love with it. So I want to see if I can fit everything. Oh my gosh, it's hot. But okay, so I also bought some stuff. Well, let's figure out which direction we go in here. Okay, so first off, for my morning skincare, I use these Trader Joe's facial cleansing pads with tea tree oil. So I'm just gonna take a small stack here and just pop that in this plastic baggie so that they don't dry out. And I think I'm put it right here in this little guy. Whoa. And since I'm doing that, I'm gonna take some of this and these premium cotton pads, which I bought this refill for the house because I was out, but I'm gonna do the same thing. Baggy those. Let's fold these up together. Cool. So I always wear a lip mask at night. So for this trip, I'm gonna bring the Clarins Hydra Essential. This is their moisture replenishing lip balm. I know it's not a lip mask, but it's super thick, so it practically is a lip mask. Dump out everything in these. Ooh. Okay. This is my daytime moisturizer. That is perfect. I use the Bliss Drench and Quench moisturizer, and I forgot that I had that in the travel size. Some body lotion. This is actually from the MGM resort, so put that in there. When I travel, I just use this. This is the Soap and Glory Vitamin C Facial Wash. I'm so sorry that it's so grimy, but it's been through the ringer. It's been through a few trips. Some toothpaste. Oh god, some more toothpaste. I'm gonna bring the fuller one. And my travel toothbrush. So I think that's all I need from this bag. I don't need a serum. Ooh, this toner is almost out. I guess I'm just not gonna use toner on this trip, but I'll bring my loofah, then a razor, you know, to shave, because like I said, we are gonna be going to the pools. And then, ooh, I found this Downy wrinkle release, so definitely gonna bring that. I'll put that in a different part here. Then I got a new shaving cream, and then I got, oh, this is 4 fluid ounces. Crap. Then I'm going to bring this Rose Ceramide cream. I use this mainly when I need an extra burst of moisture. Deodorant, muy importante. Then my contact solution. I am a contact lens wearer. And then a new case. That's perfect. I am going to bring just one face mask. This is the Olay Glow Boost. I'm going to bring this one just because it's just a stick mask, so it's very easy to apply. And then I'm gonna bring the whole thing of this. This is from Burt. This is their Daily Dissolve Cleansing Balm. It's a really, really good cleansing balm. I like to use cleansing balms to take off my makeup. Just feel like they're the most effective. Then the Super Goop Glow Stick. Obviously, like I said, we are gonna be in the sun. We're gonna be at the pool, so I definitely need that. My night cream, which is the CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. I think what I'm gonna do is, since this container is almost done, it's only 3 fluid ounces because we are flying, so I can't pack anything. Ooh, hairspray? Sorry, I got distracted, but I can't pack anything too big. And since this leave-in conditioner that I got is apparently 4 ounces, I'm gonna wash this out and put some of this in here just so I can bring some leave-in conditioner, because I do need it with my hair since it is bleached. So I will be right back. Okay, and then we are all set. So I just put the leave-in conditioner in this container so that I don't get, you know, in trouble at airport security. And then for anyone wondering, this is the SGX NYC, the Hair IQ. It's a 10-in-1 product, so it's like a leave-in conditioner, heat protectant, a bunch of stuff. I've never tried it before. I figured might as well, and I thought that that size would be okay. Clearly was not. But I'm gonna also pack in some extra hair ties. And then I'm gonna bring these. These are the Burt's Bees makeup cleansing wipes. These are my favorite makeup cleansing wipes. I don't typically use a ton of makeup cleansing wipes on a regular basis. Literally, I only use makeup cleansing wipes when I'm on vacation, so I always bring some with me just because they're faster. I think we're almost there here. And then this is really random. This actually is not eye cream, even though it says it's eye cream. God, that smells good. This is actually lavender lotion. I need lavender lotion to be able to go to sleep, so this was empty one time, and I just started like loading up my lotions in here, so that is for sleep time. I feel like I'm missing something. Did I get my hair oil? No, I did not get my hair oil. Did I bring it? No. Oh, yes I did. So this is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strengthening Hair Oil. I love it, and it is travel size, so I'm just gonna bring it. And then this is the Erase Your Face Microfiber Makeup Removal Towel or whatever, so I'm gonna bring that. I like to use that with the cleansing balm to get off all my makeup. And then the makeup wipe is gonna be just like an extra precaution to make sure everything's actually off. And actually, I think I'm all done. Wow, look at that. So the last thing, which I don't think I'm gonna pack in here, but this is a little microfiber turban that I like to use to dry my hair. It's not gonna fit in here. I'm gonna pack it in a different bag, but we are all set and packed. Skincare is done and my makeup is done. So this is what I'm talking about. I can just hang this like this. So much easier to travel with than 3 different bags. And wow, I'm actually very impressed. This fit a ton of stuff in, like purely shocked. So there we go. I'm all set, ready and packed, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish packing up the rest of my stuff. I still have to do electronics, nails. I have to bring my nail stuff because these freaking DIY dip powder nails keep popping off. But yeah, so that is the makeup and skincare that I bring with me when I travel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below with your guess of where we're traveling to. Again, if you already know because you're following me on Instagram, please don't spoil it. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I love you, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video, which will actually be a mystery vacation haul of all of the clothing and accessories that I bought for this trip. So I'll see you then. Bye.